Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Hey. Very soon, wetin we dey see for this social media, our mouth no go fit dey talk am again. Yul Edochie and Lizzy Gold on the 25th, they are on movie location acting Jesus Christ film. And now, they act Jesus Christ film because what we know is that on the 23rd, every movie, every producer, every director, everything going on in the industry, that they round up on the 23rd. The ones were not fit on the 23rd, on the 24th, chapter close. But Lizzy Gold say no, say their own not close. He say on Christmas Day, they still have movie to act. That means they want to act Jesus Christ film for us. You know, say we never see Nollywood pattern of Jesus Christ film. So Lizzy Gold and Yul Edochie on the 25th, while everybody are with their loved ones, Yul Edochie and Lizzy Gold, they will be acting Jesus Christ movie for us. Hey, wonder shall never end, my people. Make it not be like saying, "I dey talk am." Oh yeah, make we dive in. Lizzy Gold say, people are with their loved ones celebrating the Xmas. I'm here filming with Odogu Yul Edochie. It is obvious we are spending the Xmas together on sets. Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o, Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o, Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o, Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o. My lovely fans, according to Lizzy Gold say everybody there with their loved ones. Now only she and Yul Edochie now no there with their loved ones. According to her, they are on moving sets and they cannot be with their loved ones. They cannot be with their loved ones, so they remain on set. How can this story even be true? This karma is real. Karma is very, very real. There is no two ways about it. Karma is real. Imagine Juju Ekwensu years back when she was with Yul Edochie. When May Edochie go call Yul Edochie, say, "Yul Edochie, are you not coming home for the Christmas? Are you not coming home for holidays?" Yul Edochie will reply his wife, "I'm on moving location. I am busy. There are many things to conclude. I have not rounded up my movies. It looks like I'm going to spend the Christmas on moving location." Automatically, the clock is rewinding back on Juju Ekwensu. The same thing that she and Yul Edochie did to May Edochie, the same thing is happening in her life. Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o, Kérésìmesì ọdún dé o. The same thing they did to May Edochie, the same thing is happening to Juju Ekwensu. Yul Edochie and Lizzy Gold spending the Christmas together. Now, what is the essence of Lizzy Gold posting it? Is there any reason to post this thing? If it is not to trigger the trigger. Hey! All the goats wey Juju Ekwensu sister use the babi ala money wey they dash them, say go buy. All the fowl wey they buy, all the sacrifice they throw inside the river, Yul Edochie no still come. Ó ti gbàjẹ́ o. Ó ti gbàjẹ́, Ọlọ́run mi. Ó ti gbàjẹ́. All the goats, fowl, rice, beans, yam, oil. Hey! Mami water just eat food. Forget wetin they ask am make e do. Mami water have disappointed them. Oh. After all this sacrifice, Juju Ekwesu don dey prepare. Yul Edochie is not coming to Abuja. Yul Edochie will be spending the Christmas with Lizzy Gold. Why did Lizzy Gold post it? Some Juju Ekwesu fans are already saying that Yul Edochie is already in Abuja. That Yul Edochie dey for Abuja. Say Lizzy Gold is just trying to deceive people. Allow. We don't go inside the cocoa of the matter. Yul Edochie is still in Asaba. And Yul Edochie have round up today. Yul Edochie don't round up already. According from reliable sources we got from the industry, Yul Edochie don't round up. Yul Edochie is not ready to go to Abuja. He's not ready. Even if Yul Edochie get the intention, you see this Obodo Ibo when he see his family go. Even if they tie Yul Edochie for the sky, that charm at this very moment, it not go work. Because that thing pain Yul Edochie go reach in Marobon. Even if Yul Edochie get intention, the man no go because right now his brain dey hot. Do you even know what this man is going through? All the children with his wife, they do obodo for London, they flex, they enjoy. Holiday, international holiday. They tell him make he come Abuja. Make he come back to that bad luck. When he follow for years, he not see anything. If not be Lizzy Gold, we can't rebrand and come outside again. Everybody be don't forget that man. Oh. Now Lizzy Gold, now they rebrand Yul Edochie. If not Yul Edochie story be don't go. Juju Ekwesu be don't carry that at a big elephant lap. Take cover Yul Edochie finish. Now you want this man to go back to that woman. It's not gonna be easy, girl. It's not gonna be easy. Because the man's eyes don't they see things. So at this point, Juju Ekwesu, hi. Now I make you be the use style they tell Yul Edochie say, just come even if you not bring money. At least me we date together. Yul Edochie no still do this kind of excuse for her birthday. Oh. No still give her this kind of excuse, even though we not go talk about them for the birthday. Yes, 31st is for me, Edochie. We are not going to talk about Judy. But I'm telling you that I'm suspecting something. Oh. Yul Edochie say that means they need to be in the movie together. Till when? Now, one art movie Christmas Day. There is never anywhere in the industry where they art movie on the 25th. On the 25th is public holiday. Be you an actor or actress, no movie they go that day. Today, now they round up. If you can't add, now yesterday they round up. If you can't add, you close up everything today. So what are they doing together on the 25th? Which movie? Can that director or can that producer pay them to work on the 25th? Because it's extra money. So this is Gadabush story. Gadabush story. You see all this one with Juju Ekwesu Bola Fighters Warrior, they talk. That one not the enter Juju Ekwesu here. Juju Ekwesu is not comfortable with Lizzy Gold. That is the fact. She's not happy about this situation. You know, say person wey dey thief. If another thief won't come thief, the thief they know the style where the thief won't take come. Juju Ekwesu, this is how she thief Yul Edochie. They want to do film. From film, they come begin the Nakademus. My colleague, they come the Nakademus. Juju Ekwesu know the way she collected Yul Edochie. And she know this is the way a lot of them collect their men in the industry. This is how they do it. Oh. By the time they do the art film together, everything they act. From there, they'll come begin to do another one. So, a lot of people in the industry say, Yul Edochie is spending the Christmas with Lizzy Gold. This is not about fame. Both of them are spending the Christmas together because he gave where Lizzy Gold won't go. Yul Edochie prefer to go out with Lizzy Gold. They won't go flares. This one why they tell you so. They won't go flares. Tell Lizzy Gold. The person that will expose this secret in our Destiny Etiko, but Destiny Etiko not just send them. Because of me, Edochie, Destiny Etiko not just send them. Lizzy Gold have somewhere that you want to go. where they won't go flares. So Yul Edochie is following them to that place, abandoning Juju Ekwensu in Abuja. My people, now tell me who they lose. Who is losing in this game? Hey! Snatcher, 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 snatcher. Snatcher, 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 snatcher. Now tell me who is losing in this game. May Edochie is in London with her children, flexing, enjoying everything about Nigeria now. They disturb her ear. She's just there enjoy. Yul Edochie, tomorrow, this night, Yul Edochie and the Liz Good, they get where they go do 24th night when they won't go flares. Juju Ekwensu is at home, all alone to herself, eating oil rice with her children. Yul Edochie not coming, not bring money, not bring anything. She's alone at home with her children. They use oil, they cook rice. No chicken. Nothing. Juju Ekwensu, when you for snatch this man enter as in peace. You wanted to use it to do social media. See your life now. And tomorrow you say people are dragging you. Now you start now. If to say you hide your head, nobody for they ask you question now. See you now. Lizzie Good no even use clothes, they cover you small. She just can't expose you. Hey! Hey, whoa! Some people will come as a friend. Free enemies. This one now mobile they single free enemies. So according to Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors now, Lizzie Go do favor for Juju Ekwensu. No, this is public disgrace. This is an insult upon injury that they give Juju Ekwensu. She's already in pains. She have already done sacrifices for Yo to come back. At the end of the day, Yo, they not see. She did a lot of sacrifice. Yet, Yo not come. Lizzie God won't do the worst. They can't put her for social media. When Juju Ekwensu fans are already saying, even you call us talk amo. He say, me we did them, they talk. He say, Yul Edochie we don't dey Abuja with Juju Ekwensu. I tell una say, you call us not know anything about this whole thing. Content creator. No wonder Yul Edochie say, believe her at your own risk. You call us say we should be playing. Yul Edochie that is already in Abuja with Juju Ekwensu. They say not dey. Na me they tell you reliable source. Yul Edochie not dey Abuja. Yul Edochie dey Asaba. This night they are going for groovies. You get the groovy where they go. Yul Edochie prefer to go and groove than to return to Abuja. Hey! Ewelelele. Ewelelelelele. Oh. Hey! After all the mama. Hey God. After all the goats, wait for reach they do Christmas. Far away for reach they do Christmas. They go through it for inside river. Mommy water eat finish. Besh finish. Mommy water no answer prayer. This mommy water need to be summoned. They need to sue this mommy water. Juju Ekwensu sister need to sue that mommy water to return those things where they give her. So after all these things, Yul Edochie not still come. When I tell una say Juju Ekwensu sister power no dey work, una think say I dey lie. You know we are power for the work for Juju Ekwensu fans. She dey feel dey pin all those ones down. They control them because they've already surrendered to her. You see, for another person, not they work. So small Yul Edochie is small now. In the spiritual realms, Yul Edochie is small. They cannot even drag Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie way head, they very soft. That's why it was the one that settled with Juju Ekwensu. Because it was like a scapegoat. They all blow powder for a eye. Your for put the near. Now, come on, Yul Edochie, they no fit drag to Abuja. Now, Lizzie Good now come out, come publicly disgrace. Aye, this is a disgrace. So, even if Juju Ekwensu warriors come out, can't try to cover up that, Oh, Lizzie Gold is just trying to cover up. What are they covering up? Nothing. Maybe Juju Ekwensu fans will come outside. They will come and lie to you people that Yul Edochie is already in Abuja. Lizzie Gold is just lying. That is what they said. Since on the 20th. It's on the 20th they say Yul Edochie don't reach Abuja. Since on the 20th. Now Lizzie Gold want to say it to the face of Juju Ekwensu. That's why I always say Juju Ekwensu, you forget her brain for inside Mama Placenta. The handwriting here is very clear. The handwriting is very clear. We all know that Yul Edochie and Lizzie Gold fair dates. If they can't claim say they're not the dates now, but it's a parable that say road wey person don fair pass, they hard. They hard to pass again. Yul Edochie don fair enter there, don fair go there. If you want enter again, not go hard. They don't already fair know themselves. So Juju Austin, hi, this is a slap on your face. Oh. When your Gbola fighters warrior try to cover up that Yul Edochie is already in Abuja, that main nation should be crying there. See Anna, Lizzie Gold don come expose you. Say Yul Edochie no gree come. Yul Edochie did refuse to come to Abuja. Yul Edochie is still in Asaba. And they are going for grooving this night. We don't see her. They don't tell us. Yul Edochie they go groove this night. Chai! Me Edochie now in London. Yul Edochie going out to groove. Juju Ekwensu all alone. Don't snatch people's husbands. Juju Ekwensu, if you call life again, don't snatch person's husband. Don't. At this point, you should let go. Confess your sins. Beg for forgiveness. And move on with your life. Because this one where the money just scatter like this, the evening not go good. The evening go worst for you. It go worst. You don't see wetin me Edochie carry. You don't see the reason why me Edochie dash you. Any responsible man, any responsible man, no matter what happens, tomorrow is 25th. He must be at home this night. He must. Wait till they act where they not round up on the 23. Okay, if you come too much on the 24. Lizzie Gold say tomorrow say that they act film. Which film did they act? Jesus Christ film. Yul Edochie and Lizzie Gold are acting Jesus Christ film for Nollywood. Jesus Christ film because tomorrow na Christmas na 25th. They want to act Jesus Christ film for us. We make two of them no fit go see their loved ones. Juju Ekwensu, open your eyes, oh. And now you go understand the reason why me Edochie dash you. Now you go understand the reason why you dey drag me Edochie not dey answer you. Because she still dey look you say you never start to dey see. You see that thing where she see for 26 years staying with this man. You never even start. Now it make your body dey shock you. Now it make body you dey jump up and down like sese fly. See Anna. They don't silence you. Odogu Salenta, Lizzie Gold don't silence you. Even after your fans try to cover up for you, Lizzie Gold still come out to disgrace you. This is just the beginning, you know. You will now understand the reason why me Edochie dash you, and yet she never fight and drag. See your Odogu. Odogu abandon you for Abuja with children. He go the flesh. Is this not what you were doing with him when he was with his wife? Now it's your turn. Turn by turn. Every time they sing this music for now. Life now turn by turn. Turn by turn. Make you know the 2 day buga. Humble yourself for no one knows tomorrow. Humble yourself for no one knows tomorrow. You know, yeah. My lovely fans. Body don't post Juju Ekwensu like person we drink garri water. Body don't pose her. She don't even know what to say. She don't even know what to say. This information was not announced to Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu saw this information on social media. Hi, Everything wey they do May Edochie, Operation Return Back to Sender. Everything they did to May Edochie, Operation Karma. Now they work for Juju Ekwensu head. Yul Edochie did not call Juju Ekwensu to tell her no. Juju Ekwensu saw it on social media just the way me and you see him. Now so he see and say Yul Edochie dey movie location. Yul Edochie not dey movie location. They get one party where they do. Many Nollywood actors and actresses, they go the party 24th. Now there Yul Edochie they go. Hey! Odogu! Odogu! Hey! Now wow. Some people there to do. Juju Ekwensu take out to. You go manage your oil rice, grind crayfish put on Christmas. After all, you are not celebrating Christmas. You are in August. So when August come, you do Christmas. Chai! See where Juju Ekwensu end up alive. What did you snatch? What did you snatch? See wetin May Edochie cover for years. Una see wetin May Edochie carry. Una see wetin housewife dey bear. When the women will leave and go quiet, they will say, no, the woman don't want to stay. Now let she know wetin she see. Any man, when he be saying and his wife divorce, and he refuse to help in training the children, no say that man a red flag. What he did to his first wife and his children, we do it to you. Juju Ekwensu, your own, na time is just dey take o. And your time not even long. Because your own comes so fast. Everything you did to May Edochie, you are just reaping it. You are just reaping it. The same thing where you they do. Now Lizzie go they do for your eyes. So, hi, my lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.